looking at the kind of recovery that the market is seeing today, market is getting into the mood swing mode, basis the escalation or de-escalation talks on war in Middle East. Now, how do you see the confirmation of this kind of a recovery and the path ahead in the short term?
Good afternoon, Nisha. I think, like I've always been saying, markets are going to be buoyant. Markets are, of course, in high octane news dependency. That's what happens when stuff like this happens. When there's a war, of course, news is going to drive it. A war, will it get over? The answer is yes. How long? We don't know. Right? So, will the markets go back to 2005, 25,179, where it started falling from that weekend? It will. That's my judgment. Okay, over the last 12 wars, markets always, after the war finishes, have gone up 7-8% more than the level from where they started falling. This is a very, very reassuring data. War khatam hogi, wo to nishchit hai. Kab khatam hogi, pata nahi. But whenever it has happened, then the war is over, markets go back to that level or even more. There's only one instance where after the war was over, the market was still -7 from the where it started falling. So I'm reinforced that the market stability is there, one. When valuations are not so elevated, markets can't fall like a knife. That's very clear and data says so. So if the markets were to again refall 5, 7, 8%, I won't be surprised. But it'll recover very, very passionately in a very ferocious manner. So if you're a long-term investor, if you don't buy this dip, then I don't think you should be in equity ever. Because markets can fall next 5 days, 10 days, 15 days. This is 3 years. There is just one fund out of the total diversified equity funds which is negative after 3 years. Only one fund. The rest of them are all positive. Even after at the worst part, which is the last NAV, 3 year, 3 financial years. If someone were to hold it, he has still not lost money. There's only one fund which has lost money. There might be several stocks which have lost money on a 3-year holding, but diversified portfolio does it.